We are discussing ranking method of finding out the coefficient of correlation. So we have already discussed few questions of calculating coefficient of correlation with ranking method with the help of Spearman's rank method, or we can say ranking method. So now let's discuss next question. So in this question, we have to calculate rank difference coefficient of correlation from the following data. So in this question, the rank is not given. Okay, when rank is not given, what we have to do? How to solve the question? So let's discuss this. So we can say that if quantitative measures are variables are given in the question, then we can also calculate coefficient of correlation with the help of Spearman's method, or you can say with the ranking method. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to arrange the data and assign the ranking to the given series. Okay, so in this question we have given two series X and Y. So what we have to do, we have to first assign the rank to this given series. Okay, so the ranking is assigned in ascending order or in descending order. Okay, so ranking is assigned either in ascending order or in descending order. So what we generally do, we generally prefer to assign ranking in descending order. Okay, what we have to do, we assign rank in descending order. So we give rank 1 to the highest number in the given series. So as in this series, we can let's assume in series X, or we can say in variable X, a series is given. Okay, so what we do, we assign ranking to this series. So what for assigning rank to the series, we will consider descending order. Okay, what we do, we consider descending order. So in this case, we will assign rank 1 to the highest value. Okay, the highest value is 95. Okay, so what we do, we will give rank 1 to 95, and then the lower value, less value than 95 is 88. Okay, after that, if we go in descending order, after 95 the value 88 comes, so we will give it rank 2. Okay, after that 81, this is rank 3. Likewise, okay, so we will assign rank in this way. If we talk about the series Y, so what we do, we will also assign ranking to this series in descending order. So the highest value in this given series is 150. Okay, so what we do, we assign rank 1 to 150. After that, the highest value is 142. So we assign rank 2 to 142. Okay, so like this, we will assign rank to the given series. Okay. So now let's start with the calculation. So let me write here X. Okay, as we have given two series X and Y. One is X and second series is Y. Let me first put all the values before assigning the rank to a given series. First one is 75, then 88, then 95, 70, 60, 80, 81, and 50. Okay, like this. Now put all the value of series Y: 120, 134, 150, 115, 110, 140, 142 and 100. Okay, so what we have to do first, we have to assign the rank to the given series. So as this is a value of y, so let's find out the ranking of x. Ranking of x. Okay, and here ranking of y. Okay, so what we have discussed is that we will arrange or we will assign ranking in descending order. So we will do is that we will give rank 1 to the highest value. 5 is the highest value, so we will give it 1. After that 88, then 2. After 88, value is 81. Then we will give it 3. After that 80, we will give it 4. After 80, the highest value is 75. So this is 5. And after 75, it is 70. Let's give it 6. After 70, it's 60. So let's give it 7. And after 60, the value came is 50. So let's give it 8. Okay, now in the same way, we will do for ranking of series Y. Let's assign the rank 1 to the highest value, which is 150. After 150, the highest value is 142. Then give it a rank 2. After 142, it's 140. So let's give it 3. After 140, the highest value is 134. So it is 4. After 120, it is 5. After 120, it is 115. 6. After 115, it's 110. And in last, 100 is the lowest value. So let's give it a 8. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the value of D. So how we have to calculate the value of D? Rx minus Ry means ranking rank 1 minus rank 2. Okay. This is how we will calculate the value of D. So Rx minus Ry, 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 1 minus 1 again 0. 6 minus 6 it's 0. 7 minus 7 it's again 0. 4 minus 3 it's 1. 3 minus 2 it's again 1. And 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to do the D square. Okay, so for putting these value in a formula, we have to do the sum of D square. So let's calculate D square. 0 square is 0. Minus 2 square is 4. Then it's again 0, 0 and 0. Square of 1 is 1 and it's 1 and it is 0. Okay, so the sum is equal to 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so sum of D square is equal to 6. So this is how we calculate the D square, value of D square. Now let's keep all the values, or we can say the values in a formula. So let me write the value of n first. So n is equal to, what is n? N is equal to 8. There are total number of observation in a series are 8. So n is 8. So let's start with the calculation of coefficient of correlation with the help of ranking method. Now R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma e square divided by n bracket n square minus 1. Okay, let's put all the value in a formula. 1 minus 6 multiply sum of d square is 6. Okay, put the value here. Now divided by n is 8, and here square of 8 is 64 minus 1. Okay, let's solve it again. 1 minus 6 into 6 is 36 basically, and now 8 into 63. Let's calculate it with the help of calculator. 63 multiply by 8. So 63 multiply by 8 is equal to 504. It is 504. Let me write it first. 5, 0 and 4. So again, let's solve this. 1 minus, so 36, basically 36 divided by 504 is equal to 0.07. It is 0.071. So the value of R is equal to plus 0.929. Okay. So in this given question, what we have done is that we have assigned rank to a given quantitative data which is given for two variables x and y. First of all, we have assigned ranking to both the series. In descending order, we have given ranking 1 to the highest value and so on. After that, calculating the sum of d square, we have put all the value on this given formula of calculating Spearman rank, or you can say it's for calculating coefficient of correlation with the help of Spearman rank method. So in this question, so answer of coefficient of correlation is plus 0.929. So as the sign of plus show that there is a positive correlation between the x and y, between both the variables, and the value is very near to 1, which is 0.92. Okay, so we can say that there is a good positive correlation or high positive correlation among the variables. Okay, so this is how we calculate coefficient of correlation with the help of ranking method when rank is not assigned or rank is not given in the question. So we can also say that it is not necessary that Spearman rank method only be calculated on qualitative data. It can also be calculated on quantitative data, but first step we have to take is that we have to provide rank or assign rank to that quantitative data series. So this is how we calculate coefficient of correlation when rank is not given in the question. So let's write the answer here. In this question. Okay. So RR is equal to plus 0.929. Okay, so this is how we calculate coefficient of correlation with the help of ranking method. This is the answer. Now, I hope everyone understood the question.